Alright friends, today we're going to draw a Furblet.
Yeah, it's a small Furby. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You excited?
Yes.
Yeah, these are really fun to draw. All right, we need our drawing supplies. Oh, you got it on your finger. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yeah, high five.
Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I especially love this lesson, how our drawings don't look exactly the same. Yours is my favorite. It's really cute. And it's okay if our friends' drawings look different too, because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yes, have fun and practice. We're using markers to do this lesson, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even
crayons.
Yeah. And we can put them right here in the middle of our papers so that we can look at them while we draw, or her. So she's got this little hair sticking out. Let's start with drawing the little beak. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper, kind of towards the bottom so that we have room for the big ears. And I think it's funny that the ears fold down like this, and then you can pop them open. All right, let's draw an upside down letter U, kind of pointed, but not too pointy. So we're going to curve up like this and then back down. Then right here, we're going to draw a U shape going to the other side. And then let's draw the mouth or the beak. We're going to draw a wiggly line across the middle. Next, we could draw the tongue and also the bottom beak. And we can also add a little line in the middle. Next, let's draw the eyes, and they're really big. So we're going to draw a big circle on the left and then a matching circle on the right. They have lots of little designs and details inside the eyes. It also has, this one has a popsicle inside. Did you say that means something?
It means that it's like summer themed, or it means like something.
Oh, that's cool. And so each of them have different pictures in them?
Yes.
We're going to draw some of these details, but maybe not all of them. Okay, let's draw the inside pupil. So we're going to draw another circle, but see how I have it pointing? It's kind of the top right of that eye, and then the top left of this eye.
It's doing cross-eyed.
Yeah, makes it cute. Then we're going to draw this small circle, these little highlights. You know how we always put one circle in there? They have a bunch.
Yes.
And we could draw another smaller circle over here. And then for now, let's just color in the pupil, but leave that little circle white. Next, let's draw the little heart gem and the top of the forehead. So we're going to draw 2 guide dots, and then we're going to start at the top and then draw the curve and a straight line down to the bottom, and then the other side to match. Yes, okay, now let's draw the mask, or this little border that goes around the eyes, and it's curved. We're going to start here, and we'll draw it curving around the eye. And then we're going to stop when we get close to the beak. And then we could do the same thing over here on this side to match. That'll look like big letter C's. Nice. And then we can go around the beak on the bottom. And then right here, let's go around the heart. We can add the 2 little bumps and then connect to the other side. What else are we missing on the eyes?
Eyelashes.
Yeah, let's add 2 eyelashes on each eye. Now we're ready to draw the body, and we're going to draw a big upside down letter U, but we're going to draw it pretty close to the eyes so that we have room for the ears. And we're going to start right here, and let's draw a zigzag line coming up up to the side. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come over here, and then I'm going to draw a zigzag line coming up this way too. So they're kind of straight zigzags first. Oh, I love how you're doing yours. And then up here, let's draw it curving over the top, and we'll stop there. And then I'm going to come back over here, or curving over the top. Yeah. And then you can do it a little closer so that you get into about here. Yes, and then about here. Yeah. And then right here, let's draw zigzag lines coming down. So I'm drawing them coming, towards the heart. Now let's draw the big hairstyle. It's a pointy, looks like it's on fire. We're going to start here, and let's draw it coming up on both sides. Oh yeah, and you could also connect it too with the little zigzags all the way across. There you go. Now we're going to draw a zigzag down, and then we're going to draw a zigzag coming up higher. And then I'm going to draw it coming, there you go. I'm going to draw another little zigzag, and then we're going to draw a point up at the top. Looks like it's on fire. I like yours.
On fire.
Yours looks just like this one. Now let's come down and draw the bottom. We're going to draw a zigzag line coming over to the middle. And then I'm going to draw a zigzag coming over to the middle here. And we'll meet in the center. Then let's draw the feet. And we're going to draw two little bumps. So we're going to draw one, or a letter J. And then we're going to draw a backwards letter J over here. Then we're going to draw another letter U right next to it for the next toe. And then we're going to draw another little toe connecting into the body. Yes, there we go. Now we're ready for the ears. Let's start here. And we're going to draw a zigzag coming out to the side. Well, it's curving. And we can do a zigzag coming out to the side over here too. And then we're going to draw it curving around. And we're going to come really far down on both sides. Big zigzags all the way down to the bottom. I love your ears. And then on the inside, let's just draw a simple shape. We'll draw it curving up, around, and then back in. And we can do the same over here to match. Olivia, we did it. We finished drawing our Furblets, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, and this is even more fun because you can color your Furbies any way you want. You can color it like this, or you could change the colors. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring our Furblets and they turned out super cute. I especially love yours.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I really liked coloring, especially these little guys. They look like they're from outer space. They look like aliens.
Yeah, they're really cute.
Yeah, especially yours. Yours is the cutest.
I think yours is the cutest.
Ah, thanks. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or like we mentioned, you can color yours different.
We hope you have fun drawing Furblets.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.